The cabin air filter in your 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape is essential for clean cabin air, trapping dust, pollen, and pollutants. It's located behind the passenger side glove box. To access it, first, park your Escape on a level surface and turn off the engine. Open the glove box and empty its contents. Depress the side stops on the glove box to allow it to fully lower. Behind the glove box, you'll find a plastic cover or panel. This is the filter housing. This filter is a standard replaceable part, accessible without specialized tools, and is critical for maintaining cabin air quality amid rising concerns about indoor allergens and pollutants. Now let's replace the filter. Locate and remove the filter housing cover, which may require unscrewing one or two fasteners. Pull out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrows printed on its frame. Insert the new filter in the same orientation to ensure proper filtration. Reassemble the cover, then push the glove box back into position and ensure it latches correctly. Turn on your AC to test the new filter. Filters range from $10 to $30. Replace every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or 12 to 18 months. Using the incorrect orientation reduces efficiency by up to 50%.